Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Afifah Betul Fatin, and my last ID number is 1093. Here I present the effect of edible film from Grisel and Bisweg edition on the weight loss of sapodilla fruit. Next. For the first explanation is the abstract, introduction, methodology, result and discussion, and the last is conclusions. The first thing reported in this journal is the abstract. This study focused on producing an edible film for preserving sapodilla fruit, determining the optimal glycerol and bismuth composition, and assessing the characteristic of the edible film made from cassava peel starch. The results show that the best combination for minimizing weight loss was 0.75% glycerol and 3% bismuth, resulting in the weight loss of 3.3% over 7 days. Next. Now we're moving to the introduction. Does anyone here know about the sapodilla fruit? I think you all know because this fruit is very often found in tropical countries. Sapodilla or Zapata, Arca zapota, I think, is a fruit plant belonging to the Zapotas family originating from the Central America and Mexico. This fruit is very sweet and has soft flesh. Edible film is a thin, even layer made from cassava material and can function as a barrier to prevent moisture loss. This work a natural material made from behaviors, which is usually used for cutting food product. Next. So, why should we use this edible film? Edible film could the fruit with a protective layer, then trap water vapor and control the respiration rate. There will be slowing spoilage and maintaining freshness. Next. So, we moving to the methodology. This research began by processing cassava skin into straight dough, washing, grinding, and stilling. This strut is then mixed with distilled water to produce a 3% solution. The glycerol is added at a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius to increase the flexibility of the film. Next, beeswax was added and the mixture was dried at 50 degrees Celsius for 6 hours until an edible film was formed. Sapodilla fruit is cooked with the edible film by immersing it for 2 minutes, then store it for 7 days. With weight loss measurement every 24 hours to determine the optimal composition that can maintaining the quality of the food. Next. Okay. In here, we can see the result and discussion. The result demonstrate the edible coating made from cassava peel straight effectively reduce weight loss in sapodilla fruit. The addition of glycerol increase weight loss due to its hydrophilic properties, while beeswax decreases weight loss thanks to its hydrophobic nature. The optimal combination was found to be 0.75% glycerol and 3% bismuth, resulting in a weight loss of 3.3% over 7 days compared to 5.32% without coating. This coating extends the shelf life of sapodilla fruit from 2 until 3 days to 5 days, proving its effectiveness in fruit preservation. Next. So in here we can see that there show that the addition of beeswax, which is sapodilla, reduce the weight loss of sapodilla fruit by reducing water vapor, termination, and slowing the fruit respiration rate. Sorry. Next. And in here, we can see the comparison of sapodilla fruit coated with edible film and does not coated with edible film. That's not the same. Next. removing for the last is the conclusion. The addition of glycerol and beeswax affect the characteristic of the edible film, particularly the weight loss of the fruit. The higher the beeswax content, the less weight loss occur on the sapodilla fruit. The optimal combination was found to be 0.75% glycerol and 3% beeswax, result in a weight loss of 3.3% after 7 days. Next. So that's all my presentation. Once again, thank you for your attention, ladies and gentlemen. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.